Hi, I'm Chevy and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at St. Francis School. Start the clock. Monday, the week opened with a stunning Thames morning, the sun coming out to joyfully welcome everyone back to school after the weekend. The school value of this week, truth, pono. Tuesday began with years 1 and 2 using plenty of courage in presenting their poems to friends and family, while our other classes had the chance to explore the bush and learn more about our environment and the early history of Thames on their Tauranga field trips. Wednesday was a very busy day with another Tauranga field trip for years 1 and 2, and our years 7 and 8 headed out to enjoy a day of kia rahi, a traditional Māori ball game, with other schools from around Thames. Thursday, students settled into their usual routines and could be found spending time with friends and teachers in and outside of the classroom. Friday, a very busy week ended with Pī Waka Waka class diligently presenting their speeches about social justice before everyone packed their bags and headed off to enjoy the weekend. On behalf of Jono, Benji, Arleea and the rest of the Week That Was team, I'm Chevy and we'll see you again next time.